Hey guys, I have an amazing product here to show you. This is some of the best weed control I have ever found. So, this is it right here. It's called Weed Stop, and it's by a cool brand, Spectracide. All right, this one is the Plus Crabgrass Killer. Crabgrass concentrate, kills yellow nutsedge, and over 250 different types of weeds. In addition, ta-da, it won't harm your lawn. So this one, you attach the hose, spray it right out. It can cover over 5,000 square feet. So if you remember, I did a video on some tricks to help your lawn absorb this stuff, and I mentioned this grass right here. Said the next thing I'd be spraying was some weed killer, because there's some dandelions, there's a lot of clover, some crabgrass, all kinds of stuff. So we're going to spray this on there, and in about 4 days, all that stuff will die. We'll reseed it and turn this into a beautiful, nice golf course lawn. So when you buy this stuff, link in the description below. There's also a different kind that doesn't have the crabgrass killer. Get whichever one works for you. We're going to pull that little thing out and then pull this back to let her run. Bam! Look at that. Now, when using this, be careful. You don't really want to spray it on yourself or breathe it all in, anything like that, because it is obviously a form of chemical. It's not harmful to your grass, but it will kill all of your other weeds. So soak your lawn really well. Make sure that you spray it in areas that you want things to die, because it will kill all of the weeds. Now, if you have some stuff that you think looks like grass, it's probably a weed that's going to die. So cover really nicely. Do it on a day in the morning to prevent evaporation. Do it also on a day that you don't have a lot of wind. Today there is a lot of wind. Pardon it. You can hear it right there. The reason you don't want a lot of wind or a lot of heat is because it will blow this all over. If you got a lot of wind, go lower to the ground, just like that. Cover your lawn really well, and you will have weeds gone in a week, or guess what? Your money back. Therefore, check it out, Weed Stop. It's in the description below. Spray it on your lawn. It will kill the weeds. I will show you an update. You're going to get to see the whole video. You don't have to wait another week to see what it did to this lawn. I will show you. Alright guys, so I decided to do a little before video before I show you the results and come back in a few days. So here we go. You can see all kinds of weeds all over the place. I just got done spraying all this with the Weed Stop. So you can see there's crabgrass, dandelions, clover, some kind of something else there, some more creeping Charlie there. We've got all kinds of prairie grass over here. So this stuff's going to die. We got yellow mustard. We got something there. We got all this stuff. It's all going to die. It's going to be a bare lawn with just some grass left, and you're going to see it. So I'll show you guys what it looks like in 4 days from now, and then I'll show you again about a week so you can see the dramatic results of Weed Stop. You can see these weeds from the Weed Stop starting to kind of shrivel up and get smaller. They're looking less healthy. Look at that one. So it's definitely working. We can expect better and more full results in about a week. So we'll check back in a week to see all these weeds shrivel up and gone. Okay, so here we are. After the initial Weed Stop, we have had some time pass now, and look at all of the dead stuff in this grass. All of those brown looking stalks, that's all weeds that have died. You can see the grass is very thin. There's not a lot of grass here. That's because all of this stuff has died and it is now spaced out. So all these weeds are dead thanks to Weed Stop. Now it is time to reseed a little bit, plant some new grass, get it going, give it some other tonics to help it out and make this lawn nice and thick. So that is the results of Weed Stop. It's a great product. Get yours in the description below.